really easy. Number one, you take the shift knob, lift it up, comes right out. This is an aftermarket knob, but it's meant to fit this. This comes out next. There's it's clipped around here. So what you want to do is carefully lift up. You can see the tabs. There you go. You take this out right here. So this is just a, it's hard to do with one hand, but this comes out like so. It's just basically to keep noise out. There we go with my other hand. There we go. And then there's the other piece right here, which is clipped in on the sides, and it goes on the shifter. I already had to take that out because of the stock shifter. Once you get it down to here, then you'll want to take a screwdriver. I'll do that in the next step to get out the rest of the shifter. 2 screwdrivers, one on each side, is you want to turn this bushing, as you see, to where it is loose. Now there are pins on these bushings, and there are 2 notches on each side that hold this in. And when you rotate it, then it will free it up. You have to rotate it about a quarter turn, and then it's loose in there, and it can pop right out. After that, probably have to go under the car for it, but you see down there, there is a clip. What you'll have to do is reach under there, and then pop that clip out. But it looks like, since I adjusted it a little bit, it's actually not, I'm not able to do it from on top of the car. I have to go under the car for it. So that'll be the next thing, and then the shifter will basically come right out. There is a pin right there. That one. This pin needs a screwdriver to come off. Once you get it off, I rotated it. Once you get it off, I may not need a screwdriver after all. Then you can get the arm and push it to the passenger side, and the shifter will come right out the top. Easy. The pin is disconnected from the bottom, comes right out. There you go. So now you can see here, it does have notches on it. So I'll put these side by side with the new shifter, and you can see for yourself the difference. 3 shifters that we've used. We have the brand new short throw shifter from BMW, the shit tier eBay one, and the stock one. So immediately you can see the difference in throw. So I'll go ahead and without further ado and install them. Shifter install is put on your shift boot, because otherwise it's going to be next to impossible to do it when you're on the car, when it is on the car. It just will slide right through, and that would be it. The next thing you want to do is put this bushing in. After you have that installed, is you want to grease your bushing here and insert it into the shifter. Simply install the shifter. Should slide right in and click, and you shouldn't be able to pull it out. So it should be clicked in there and good to go. Shifter, there is an arrow that points where the shift boot should go. So make sure when you install it that you have that correct. The next thing you want to do is go under the car, reinstall the linkage, put the pin back in, and then you could lower the car back on the ground. This on. Next thing you want to do, install this back in there, like so. It's just a piece of rubber, so, well, piece of foam, so don't worry too much about it. That goes like that. This will go on top and snap right back in, like so. And the shift knob goes right back on. And you're done. There you go. And as you can see, the shift throws are greatly reduced. Alright, that's it.